What's up, people? Let's talk about the party rental business name crash course. How do you pick the perfect business name? Or should I say, how do you not pick the perfect business name and just get it done in a way where you're not spending too much time waiting on the perfect name and get a simple name that's effective and you don't make the mistakes most of us make. So let's get right to it. Let's go ahead and get the perfect business name for you today, because the perfect name today might not be the perfect name tomorrow. And you guessed it, we got a worksheet for that boy right there. Let me make my picture smaller. I guess I should be able to say this. I call it the business name brainstorm worksheet. Business name brainstorm worksheet. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to list a bunch of words that you like. All right. Or now, remember I said the business is not about you. It's about who you're serving. Okay. So you have to think about those two things. Now, as usual, we're going to use ChatGPT. All right. Let me log in real quick. ChatGPT is going to really help us get that taken care of. And I'm gonna give you guys a really great framework. Okay. So you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to say, I'm starting a party rental business here, and I want to name that this. You're just kind of going to copy this whole thing. Okay. But don't hit go yet. Watch this. I'm starting a party rental business in Houston. I want a name that is simple, catchy, and easy to remember, avoids bounce house or party rentals in the name, sounds fun, professional, unique, uses words like, insert your favorite words, all right? Can you give me 10 to 20 ideas? Okay? Now, before you do that, let's fill in these words. What do I mean? Think about power words, okay? Power words that are relevant to your ideal market. This could be animals. This could be like any other power word. But think about it. So let's say I'm in Houston. What is the Houston state bird, for example? Houston, Texas state bird. All right. So it's the mockingbird. All right. So that could be something. I'm in Chicago. If you said mockingbird to me, I know what a mockingbird is, but that's not special. I don't even know. I think our state bird is a cardinal or something like that. Let's see. Houston, bird, flag. Let's do that. Let's open another ChatGPT. Let's do that. Give me information about Houston, including the bird, flag, and any other icons I can use when deciding on a business name that will speak to people in Houston. Maybe I'll add that to the workbook. Let's see what it gives us. It's a city rich in history, culture, and symbolism. So let's see what it gives us. The yellow-crowned night heron. All right, I don't care about all the information, but there's a bird you can use. Heron, the flag, blue, white, and gold. You can use that in the logo. Other symbols. It's called Space City. All right, Bayou City, H-Town. Now we're talking. So here's what you do. You grab from here. You grab what you like, and then you take that and you put it into the into this prompt here. All right. So I'm going to go with what I think. Okay. Night heron. I assume they know what that is, but then again, I really don't know what the bird in my area is. Let's see. Official city bird. Flag. Nickname. Space City. I'm just going to put them up here. H-Town. And it does get tricky because maybe Bayou City means a lot to people there, but just not to me, right? So you want to get some opinions as well. Space. Oh, actually, we already used that. Astrodome, Houston skyline. And you want to make sure it doesn't have any trademarks. And remember, we're not going to make it about Houston. We want to go out a little bit, but it helps us kind of get an idea. Reflects city's Western heritage, livestock, rodeo. Okay, rodeo is another word. Have you ever seen anybody use the address bar as notes? That's what I do. Energy. It's the energy capital of the world. Didn't know that. The city is known for ethnically, culturally diverse, known for barbecue, Tex-Mex, international cuisine. All right. All right. Star could be something since it's space. You get the idea. I'm going to take these words now. I'm going to go back to my other ChatGPT prompt, which is free, by the way. And let's see what it gives us. Bam. Look how fast that is, guys. Look how fast that is. H-Town Fiesta, Rodeo Star Rentals. Dang. Dang, Rodeo Star Rentals. I like that one. Starry Nights Events, Energy City Events, Space City Vibes, H-Town Event Masters, Starburst Rentals. What? All right. So here's all the names it gave us, but we're not done. We're not done, right? You're going to write down the top 5 that you like, okay, that resonate with you. And then you can run them again. You can say, give me more like this. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab these. I'm going to copy all 20. I'm going to say, here, I'm going to say, give me more like these. And I'm going to paste these. Rodeo. Cosmic. Now, you got to be careful. I like Rodeo and Cosmic. My customers might not. So this is where you let ChatGPT give you some more. And it should reflect a little bit of you, a little bit about you, right? It is your business at the end of the day. Skyline. You don't want to say the word Houston. Thought I told it not to do that. Rocket City. I like that. Just Rocket events, honestly. Who could forget Rocket? Right? Everybody knows what a Rocket is. You're in Houston or you're near Houston, Rocket Party Rentals, period. Tiger Party Rentals, period. Infinity Party Rentals, period. Right? Astro, Energy, Events, Starlight, Rentals, not sure about. Space Cadet. Again, think about it. You might offer not just bounce houses. So Space Cadet. Ask yourself, would a bride want to rent a tent from Space Cadet events? I don't know, maybe, but I don't know. I would ask myself that question. Don't use Houston. Didn't I tell it not to use a city? Avoids bounce house. Sounds fun. Okay, I guess I gotta add that in there. Trailblazer. But don't use the city in the name. I got to add that to the prompt. All right, so now it's going to give me more like these. Lasso, nice. Houston, Lasso. Yeah. I thought Starburst was like a trademark, but maybe not. If it's not, all right. Is Starburst, actually, I'm just going to ask it. Is Starburst trademarked? So you might not be able to use Starburst as a candy, but you can use it as a party rental. Can I use it as my party rental business name, even though it's trademarked? Why or why not? Yes, you cannot use Starburst. And why are you recommending it? Come on, lady or man. All right. So going back here. Oh, okay. So that was a different chat. Cosmic. I like the word cosmic. So there we go. You're going to grab the top ones that you like. You're going to write them down. You're going to sleep on it. You're not going to decide on it today. Give yourself some time. Make a Facebook post. Ask your friends and family. Do a poll. I'm thinking about naming my business. Who would you want to rent from? What would you remember? Or if you want to get really creative, say, post it. Say, which one of these do you think is most memorable? And then you can make another post a week later and say, hey, what did I say? What delete that post or something and ask which one they remembered or something like that. All right. So that is how you come up with a business name without driving yourself crazy. Remember, you don't want to use the city in there. Yeah, I got to add that in there. Remember the do's and don'ts, and then from there, once you come down on a name, now you're going to go in and you're going to do your 4 checks. First, you're going to check that the domain is available. Do not buy your domain from here. It's just really easy. CosmicPartyRentals.com. Boom. It is not available. It was registered in 2022. All right. Does that mean you can't do it? No. You could do Cosmic Party Rentals 360 if you really wanted to, if you were dead set on that name. But it's better to get something that doesn't need to have all that, right? So that's the first thing you want to check. When you're ready to buy the domain, don't buy it from here. I'll go back to the vault. I'll show you where to buy it to get a better domain. Check the handles. So then you can go to Facebook. You can go to Facebook, Instagram, wherever, and just go Cosmic Party Rentals, and just see what comes up. Cosmic Party Rentals. All right. Who's this? They got 1 follower. Okay. Not really worried about that. Last time they posted was 2022. They're in Texas. All right. So yeah, so it's something you just have to consider. You want to kind of look at that. Do you really want to go with that name? Is this company even still active? I'm sure their number is on there. Give them a call. Next, you're going to go to, and you want to check the other platforms. Then you're going to check your local database. So you can go here, type in Cosmic Party Rentals in Google, just on your phone, and see what comes up. This comes up. It's got 460 followers. All right. Okay. So they got a different page. And this one is the same company. So, but where are they? They're in Dickinson, Texas. All right. I'm in Chicago, or maybe I don't know how far that is from Houston. Okay. So that's something to consider. Here's another one. This is a completely different website, I think. Maybe. So you want to look on Google to see if anybody in your area. Now, here's the benefit. Because we are local, because you're a local business, you don't have to worry about somebody else having your name. If somebody else has your name, that's okay. As long as they don't have that name in your area or within like 100 or 200 miles. You're probably not going to service more than 50 miles tops. Trust me. 50 miles is a lot. Just so if you're delivering 50 miles, that's a 200-mile drive. You're going to go 50 miles to the customer to drop off, 50 miles back to your house, and then 50 miles back to pick up, and then 50 miles back to your house. So 50 miles is a lot. So if there's nobody within 100 miles that has that name, then it's safe to say that's a good name to go with. So you're going to check that. And last but not least, USPTO. You can go here and you can trademark search system. All right. Cosmic Party Rentals. All right. So there's Toddler Play Zone, Cosmic Guilt. All right. Interesting. So here are all the here are all the trademarks. And it says if there's status. Check this out. Check out your boy. Event Hawk. Boom! Event Hawk is registered. It is live. And you can go here and you can go see the full trademark. And you could see who registered it and when. I've never looked at this before, by the way. But this is what it looks like when it's a live trademark. You cannot use Event Hawk because it's trademarked. My party rental business is Bounce My House, if you want to use that. My Bounce House is trademarked, interestingly. Missed opportunity. They should have went with Bounce My House. I should probably trademark this, but it's honestly not a great name, in my opinion. Because, like I said, it uses the word bounce, and it's, again, confused with a lot of other people. Look how many other people you can confuse it with. But great job on My Bounce House for taking, My Bounce House guy. Interesting. My Bounce House guy. Okay, cool. So that is the final check. Once you've checked those 4 things, you are ready to pick your name. Grab 5 names, post them, ask your family, ask your friends. Take your time. I promise you, if you're just starting out, people don't care what your business name is right now. You just need a name. Follow the recommendations in the book. Make sure that you stick to those. There's a lot of do's and don'ts in there. Follow those and you'll be fine. If you made it this far in the video, let me know by commenting your city and your state in the comments of the YouTube video. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. but please leave a comment. That lets me know that you made it this far in the video, that it's been engaging, and it helps the channel. So I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.